I got a 2012 Honda Accord. I'm installing an aftermarket DVD players with the CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, and a backup camera. So I'm just gonna show you. I already installed already, but I'm gonna show you what I did and everything else. So I took the license plate off. This is 10mm. You have to take that out, drill a hole right there, and make sure you want to seal it. Use a duct tape, not a duct tape, electric duct tape. Can't remember exactly what it is called again. Let me check it out. I'm sorry, it's a duct seal. So you can seal that whole back. You run it back there. You got the, of course, you're gonna have a yellow wire. You're gonna plug the yellow wire up, and then you got the red wire. Just connect the red wire to the red right there, and then the black to this license plate light right there to the black wire for the ground, and run it through down there and open that up so you can run down here. You're gonna go underneath this right there, and then you're gonna hide it right here and go through here, because you cannot go right there. If you go right there, you're gonna have a short wire. So you go here underneath that and this part right there, and go up. As you can see, the wire go up right there, and then that's it. And then for the reverse light, you want to come up here to the fuse box, and then there be a light blue wire right there on that green connector on the top right there, it'd be a light blue. So if you got a test light, you put on the reverse right there, and then it should lit up. This is the red wire that I ran for the reverse wire. And then the rest of them, I'm going to show you how I removed the radio. So here, I started from here, pop this up. Is just clips. Take that clip out. Once you get that clip out, you're going to see two screws right there. One right there and one right there. You take that screw out, and then also, and then underneath that, you're going to see another two screws right there, one and two right there. And then after that, you're gonna get underneath there, you're gonna see two screws right here, one right here, and then another one right there. Then you can pull the whole radio out. As I mentioned earlier, there's that screw I'm talking about, that two screw in the back of these. And then you got the screw right here on the radio, right here, this screw, and then this screw. Once you take all them 6 screws out, everything will come out, and then you have to remove all of this screw in the back right there. You got 2 right there, and then 2 right there. And then for the vent, you got 4 screws, 1, 2 on each side, 2 right here and 2 right there. Once you get that out, you want to take all the clips. Actually, I'm supposed to finish this up. I haven't finished it up yet. Oh, you also want the emergency light. Just push it out, it'll come out. And then I want to explain right here, this is kind of important right there. What you want to do, you want to take a little flathead, and you just pop this out right here. You pop it out like that, and then same as this, it won't hurt anything, so don't worry about breaking anything. Just put it in there and pop it out. It'll pop right out. So that way you can pull the old one out. If not, you cannot pull it out because it's going to be tight and you wonder what happened. So right here, I'm going to finish this up right there. Oh, the wiring for that. Right here's the wire. I'm going to show detail about that wiring. And then the mounting kit is pretty expensive. You can order it online on eBay or Amazon. And then this is the old vent. You will need this vent also. And then once you get all that hooked up, you want to run the red wire that I mentioned to is the reverse. On this radio, I'm installing a Boss Apple CarPlay with the I think it's an 800 model series, and you got the one that says reverse gear, which is the purple and white. It say reverse. Hook that to that red wire for the reverse light, and then you'll just plug the RCA jack that I don't want to confuse anybody. I'm gonna right here, there's a yellow wire from the back of the red wire, right? From the back that we, this red wire will go to that purple and white for the reverse input. Any radio will have a different color, so be careful. You want to look for reverse input. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna plug on that one, and then the wire that I mentioned is same color, just match the color, the aftermarket color to the radio, and that should be it. By the way, put the vent first before you put the climate control in. So put the vent first and then put that later. I had made a mistake. After everything is hooked up, everything should look like that. And push this back in. Just snap it in. You gotta rotate it and feel it, and then push it in. You feel where the stick, like that. Right. Need two hands to do that. See, I gotta pop it over with two hands. Voila, it's gonna look like that. See? You wanna spin it around till it's like sunk in, and then you push it in. You don't just put it in and then push.
Stayed with us, and so only God. Alex, I've talked to some people. They were convinced they were saved, and then God got a hold of them, heard a message, and read the scripture, and then they really did get saved. So some of these people that said they joined the church, were baptized, the whole idea, according to Matthew chapter 7, God never knew them in the first place. And turn from your way and say, God, I want your way. I'm ready to serve you now and forever, and I'm going to walk with you. I pray that you'd do that no matter what, where you are or what you're doing. Donna, thank you. All right.